Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 33, Lesson 3, Exercises. Here we have practice with what is called the pluperfect subjunctive. The endings of the pluperfect subjunctive are added to the perfect stem, and the endings are issem, isses, isset, issemus, issetis, issent. It's translated just like the pluperfect indicative. However, it shows up in ut clauses and often in cum clauses. You'll find this pluperfect subjunctive. The pluperfect passive subjunctive is formed on the supine stem, and to that we add usa, sms, esset, and eia, essemus, essetis, essent. Let's practice the pluperfect subjunctive. Number 1. Eri magister epistulam ad Julium scripsit, cum filius eius in ludo blank, prave blank, nec magistro blank. So yesterday, the teacher wrote a letter to Julius because his son, and we want to say had been sleeping in school, had been writing poorly, and had not been obeying the teacher. And the form here, the pluperfect subjunctive, third person singular, is right here, the isset ending added to the perfect stem, so dormi viset. And the reason we are in the subjunctive here is that we are in a cum clause. After cum, often you will find the pluperfect subjunctive. Prave scripsiset, nec magistro paru isset. Go ahead and try the rest of the practice with pluperfect subjunctive here. Let's go on to exercise number 8. Exercitium octavum. These are conditions, unreal conditions. So subjunctive in an unreal, non rarevera, not a true condition. So here are some examples. Nunc, now. Aquam bibo, quia vinum non habeo. I am drinking wine because I'm drinking water because I don't have wine. Utinam vinum haberem. Here we have would that I had some wine. I wish I had some wine. Haberem here is subjunctive, imperfect subjunctive, because we're in a wish clause. An optative subjunctive is what we have here. Si vinum haberem, if I had some wine, I would not drink water. This is a present contrafactual condition. If I had this now, I would not be doing this. There's also the past contrafactual. So like if in the past I didn't have something, or I had something, I wouldn't have done something. So here, tunc means then. Aquam bibi quia vinum non habebam. I drank water in the past because I did not have any wine. Utinam vinum habuissem. I wish I had had wine. Would that I had had wine. Si vinum habuissem, aquam non bibissem. If I had had some wine, I would not have drank water. Okay, here we have practice with the subjunctive in the unreal conditions. Cornelius says, Utinam ego tot servos blank, quote Julius habet. Si tot servos blank, numquam solus blank. Would that I had as many slaves as Julius has. And here we want the imperfect subjunctive in our optative clause, haberem. Si tot, if I had that many slaves, haberem, I would never walk alone, ambularem. Okay, go ahead and try the rest of those unreal conditions on your own. Let's look at exercise number 9. Our vocab exercise. Germani cum naviculis et. When they had crossed the river with their ships and their rafts, we learned ratibus, and joined together another word for conjunctis, copulatis, joined together. They quickly proceeded along the river, and we learned a new word for along, which was secundum, following or along the river. Do the rest of those, and then you have